Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today it is all about making some little Christmas goodies. I told y'all, get in your kitchen, make your family and your friends some goodies. So I'm going to show you two of the things I'm going to be doing today. And both of these are super simple. We don't even have to turn the oven on, honey. It's going to be quick and easy. So the first recipe I'm going to show you is tiger butter bark. So simple, but it is so delicious. We're going to start with some of this, just some almond bark from the Walmart. This is what I got. Now you can use whatever kind, but you're going to need 1 pound of this bark, this vanilla bark. You're going to want to do the vanilla one. Now I'm going to melt this, and of course, I've said it before, you just do it in 30-second increments in the microwave, and I won't put y'all through all that. But I'm going to melt melt my bark. Then I'm going to melt 1.5 cups of some peanut butter. Honey, you know it's going to be good. And then we're going to drizzle a little chocolate chips on top, and I'm going to show you just how quick and easy this is. Alright, this 1 pound went for 120 seconds. Like I said, 30-second intervals, and this is what you should have. Alright, I'm going to set this to the side now. Now I'm going to get my peanut butter melted. Yummy, yummy. Y'all, if y'all ain't never tried this Peter Pan honey peanut butter,
bomb.
It is life-changing. It is delicious. And last year I made some peanut butter. I just took some Ritz and filled them with this peanut butter and dipped them in chocolate. If you ain't never done that, it is delicious. So we need 1.5 cups of creamy peanut butter. Yummy, yummy.
I will link that video. I think it was a lot. I think it was a lot of Christmas goodies.
Yeah, I did several.
Yeah, you did some pretzels. I can't remember. You did a lot during that video, but I'll put the link to that video in the description. It's
good stuff. Okay, so that's about 1.5 cups. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the peanut butter. I'm gonna melt it. Do it in 30-second intervals. We'll get all this goodness out of here because we paid for it.
Yeah.
Right?
Good to the last drop.
Good stuff. All right, I'm going to set that up there. In she goes. All right, we got this peanut butter. We're just going to whip it right in here. Mix it right up in there with all that chocolate. Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
It's smelling good.
It is.
It's smelling good already. It's peanut butter. All right, I dropped my spoon. Don't y'all just love when you do that? I'm just going to use this little goodie. Look at there. Yummy, yummy. Tiger butter bark. All right. Just going to get this mixed up really good like so. And we're going to just pour that right on top in this waxed. Move this out the way. You know what? I think I'm going to use the same bowl to just throw my little chocolate chips in. No sense in doing all them dishes. Now I'm going to melt some chocolate chips. I'm going to go in with 2 cups of just chocolate chips. Now I'm using the milk chocolate. I just prefer the milk chocolate. But you can use the semi-sweet ones. Whatever you want to do. We're going to melt them the same way, 30 seconds, okay? All right, we're going to get this peanut butter out the way. And get my pan, y'all, just that quick. Just that quick. This is almost ready to go. We're going to pour this in here. Yummy, yummy. The chocolate chips is a-dinging at me. Probably have to go another 30 seconds, but that's all right. You really didn't have to melt that peanut butter. It would just mix right in this chocolate. All right. We'll give this a little Little spread right there. Looks good, don't it, James Russell?
Yeah, man.
Yummy. Uh-oh, spilling. Here we go. Let's get all our little pennies, our little nickels and dimes out of there. I ain't about that life of wasting, y'all. No. I work hard.
You do.
I ain't about it. All right. I think we got all we can get out of there. Let me just set that out of the way. Yummy, yummy. All right, let's check these chocolate chips. Let them chocolate chips go another 30 seconds or so. And y'all, we just go drizzle it right on top. Now, I do have some pecans over here that I have chopped up for my next little recipe, but that would be absolutely delightful on top of this. Just a few little nuts on top. Because I love me some pecans. Listen, they're good in anything. Alright, let's check our chocolate. Alright, this is what we want right here. Look how smooth and creamy that is. We're just going to go in like this. I guess there's no fancy way of really doing it. Yummy. Tiger butter bark.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go in this way a little bit. Change it up. You don't have to be fancy. Nothing fancy. If you watch me long enough, you'll know there ain't nothing fancy about me. Nothing at all. Still got plenty of chocolate, though.
It looks good.
It does, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good. That's what's important.
Yeah, more important.
It tastes so good. Just slinging it everywhere. Now this is going to have to go in the refrigerator and harden up just a little bit. But we can wait for it.
Oh yeah.
Because we are going to be on to the next little fun. Next little adventure. Alright. It's good just like that. Like I said, if you want to put a little nuts on it, think I should put some pecans on top or no?
Yeah. Treat yourself.
Treat yourself. I think I will. Now, you don't have to do this. But, hey, I got them sitting here looking at me, just giving me the eye. So, there we go. I got to save the rest of them for my next recipe, though. Can't be doing it all. So, here we go. La-ta-da.
Beautiful.
All right, we'll put this in the refrigerator, and then we're going to start the next one. All right, now on to our second little goodie. This is just going to be some of the easiest fudge, honey. It's about the same as last year's. I had a 2-ingredient fudge last year, and this one is can be 2 or 3. All right, with these little pecans that I'm going to add in, I'm going to make it a 3-ingredient. But this can totally stand alone and be just delicious. So we're going to start with the chocolate chips. I've got 1 cup in here. We're going to use 3 cups of chocolate chips. Look, I may as well. And I've got those, we're not going to waste over there. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and mix 3 cups of chocolate chips and just a can of sweetened condensed milk, y'all. Not cream now, it's the sweetened condensed milk. Boy, there's a lot of recipes that start with this stuff, and boy, is it delicious. Yummy. So good. Alright, now I'm going to give this a little stir. We're going to stir this around. Oh, there's my little spoon. And put it in the microwave. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Same little deal. And I have got a buttered 8x8 dish there. It's an 8x8x2. So it's going to be perfect for this. Alright, in the microwave it goes. This is what it's looking like right now. In she goes. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all melted and just warm and gooey. Alright. Alright, y'all. It's already melted and it's starting to thicken up. We know we ain't a wasting this, so in this is gonna go. Just gonna add that in there. Yummy, yummy. See how quick this is?
And easy.
It's so easy. If you're looking for something, you press for time, and it's the holidays, and you signed up to bring something. This is perfect. Now I'm gonna put about a cup of pecans in here. We'll give that a little stir. So easy, 3-ingredient fudge. You can't go wrong with that.
No, you cannot.
You cannot.
Don't get much easier than that.
No. All right. Yes, already thickening up. So this will be some nice fudge. I've just got a grease. I just spread my little butter stick around in there. Dump that in there. Yummy. We always make a whole bunch of little goodies for Christmas Eve. Our kiddos come over, and all the grandbabies, they always come over for Christmas Eve. So I actually have to work this Christmas Eve, but yeah, boo. But I'll be looking for some easy things just like this. And like I said, this is great for gift giving when you don't have much time, and it's really not a lot of money either. It's really because if you're doing just a little few pieces in each gift, it's really goes a long way. All right, we're just gonna mash this down, let this set for just a little bit, and Russell, it'll be your time to shine.
I'm ready for it.
All righty, smash it down, and we'll be back to taste it. Okay, y'all, just like that, two little goodies in no time flat. I did just let the bark get cold in the refrigerator. The little tiger butter.
We left.
We left.
Made it easy.
Yes, left and come back, so we didn't have any temptation of, checking it out. And the fudge, it just sits on the counter. You don't stick it in the fridge. Let it just get room temperature, but it's nice and fudgy, and
it's nice. It's like fudge. Good texture.
It's nice and fudgy. As soon as I was mixing it, y'all could see it if he did a little close up on it. Yeah, it was starting to set. So perfect. Like I said, both of them, 3 little ingredients, and you can't beat that. You really can't for some goodies.
Bake.
Don't even have to turn your oven on.
You can't beat it.
No.
That's as easy as it gets. That's
easy. So
and I love peanut butter and chocolate and
who don't
pecans.
love chocolate?
I mean, you can't go wrong with that.
No. And you can leave the nuts completely off either one of them, and it could be a 2-ingredient for both.
Even
of them.
easier.
So if you ain't got pecans or don't want to put pecans, might have a nut allergy or something, leave it out.
Yeah,
it's good stuff.
Well, we're gonna share these because I don't need all that. I'm gonna go for the bark.
You're gonna go for the bark. Yeah. I'll go for the fudge.
Yeah, she loves fudge.
I love anything.
She does, but
I
love more of the peanut butter, y'all. So
all right, cheers.
Man,
you gotta have a bite of the fudge too. You gotta do that too.
That's fantastic. Oh my goodness.
This is good.
You never thought it. People will think you just worked all day on that. I'm telling you how good that is.
Taste that. You gotta taste that one. Fudgy, ain't it?
It is.
It's good. It's creamy. Perfect consistency.
Perfect texture. It really is.
It is.
You try that one.
Okay. Chop me into it.
Yeah.
That's creamy.
Man, y'all,
creamy and dreamy.
And you got to turn your oven on, y'all.
No.
I'm telling you, people be impressed. They won't even know how you didn't work yourself to death making these goodies.
And it made a big old honking pan.
Yeah.
This bark made the tiger butter made a big, huge pan.
My sweet mama asked what we was doing, and I told her what we was up to. She thought, well, y'all gonna have any extra? She loves her some Christmas
Sweet
goodies,
stuff.
So yeah.
So,
we're gonna make sure she gets her some.
We're gonna fix her up, and but anyway, it's the perfect time of the year. You know, we're making up little Christmas baskets and giving co-workers and friends and all those things. So, perfect little goodie.
Y'all get in there and do it.
Goodie. Get in your kitchen and do what I'm telling you, everybody will appreciate it.
Sure will. Yep.
They will.
They love it.
They will love it. That's right. I'm gonna put it down while I'm talking. I just eat. I just stand here and eat right on it. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much.
Yeah, we appreciate it. Thank y'all.
Yes.
Every single one of you. New people.
Yes.
Our people from the beginning. You know, it's that time of year, and we are truly blessed, and we appreciate every single one of y'all. We really
very
do.
thankful.
Yes,
we are.
Yes.
Been very fortunate for all y'all that just love on us.
We have.
Yep. But anyway, I hope y'all have Merry Christmas as well. If you don't check in before Christmas.
Yeah, if you're traveling and don't get to watch.
Yep.
We got a couple more videos probably between now and Christmas.
Yep.
But yeah.
Yeah,
It's getting there.
It's getting there now. I hope y'all ready.
Yeah.
But ready or not. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for popping in, joining us, watching, liking all the comments. And until next time.